So good morning everyone. Today I have this fabulous Rosa up here on Sector D. We are in an urbanisation called Campersol, very near the port of Mathron, where there's several beaches, 20-minute drive, and very near to Calida Airport, Murcia International, which is a 30-minute drive. So very central location. So let's take you around this lovely property and you'll be amazed. So guys, I thought I'd come out to the front so you can see the mountain views there. Just further down there, it's the countryside and you can walk your dog or whatever. So this is the property in question. It's a lovely Rosa. Now, you have off-road parking, and I think you could fit like 2 small cars on here quite easily. Okay. So you have your gardens, which are established plants and shrubs. And just here is an underbuild. Just let you have a look in here quickly. It's just used for storage, you know. You could develop it if you wanted to. So just here is your outside space. Lovely pool area. Now, as you can see, you have your shower just here. It's that lovely little sign, which I thought was quite quaint. No peeing in the pool. So this is the pool. It's got steps in and that beautiful dolphin on the bottom of the pool there. Okay, you got your pump there, and this is the property itself. So half of the property is enclosed and half it's on the terrace, and it's kind of like a wraparound terrace. I'll bring you over here to have a good look at that, just to give you an idea. Okay. Now just there is the garden with some mature plants and trees, and it's very easy maintenance. So just here is the steps up to the conservatory into the main house. So as we're going in, as you can see, there's this lovely Spanish door. They've enclosed half of the terrace here to make a nice living space or sunroom in the winter. And just here you have a lovely area just to sit and relax in the summer. We can sit and have some outside dining. Okay, just going to show you around here now for a moment. Go through the chair. So there you have some patio doors just outside the living room, and that's really unusual for a Rosa style property. Okay, so we'll have a look at that more in a moment. You've got lovely mountains surrounding this property, so you have some great views. Okay, so I'm going to take you upstairs to the rooftop solarium first before we go in and see the main house. Okay, and I'll show you the views from up there. So guys, I'll see you at the top of the stairs. So we're at the rooftop terrace. It's not really used for anything but hanging the washing, but it's quite substantial. I've seen people where they put a hot tub just there. And this area here, if I turn around and walk back, they would normally put a 3rd bedroom up here. So that is a possibility if you want it. So I'm just going over here, leave the washing line, and you can see those beautiful mountain views all around. So I'm going to take you back downstairs and we'll have a look in the main house. Now I've come back in to the conservatory area, and you have, of course, you've got 3 doors. You've got the front door, You got that side door that opens up out onto that open terrace, and then you got a door there that slides back that brings you up to the rooftop solarium. Okay, so let's go into the main house. You have an overhead light just there. Okay, so I've just come into the living space, and as you can see, there's a feature fireplace. This property has dual aspect windows, and you have aircon and a ceiling light and fan. What's unusual about this, Rosa, you've got patio doors because there is a wraparound terrace. Usually just have a window there. So this property's already been upgraded. Okay. So I'm taking this room from a different angle just so you can see. Okay. So you have your archway to your dining area, and you have your kitchen. You've also got a little archway there where you can hand the food over. Okay, now I just want to tell you a little bit about that I have seen while I've been doing videos. People have squared this off, took this out and brought the kitchen right around. They've put patio doors here and blocked up the front door, and maybe put an island in here, which makes the kitchen really big. But the kitchen itself is ample for this property, but it's just if you want to do a reform or something like that. Okay, so in here you have a kitchen with plenty of top and base units. You have electric hob, electric oven, washing machine, and your fridge freezer and your sink and drainer. Okay, you have spotlights above as well. Now down through these archways and we have the bedrooms. So in here is your second bedroom, your guest room, and you have got a ceiling light and fan, you have aircon, and you have two single beds in here. You could put a double bed very easily. Okay, I'm just going to pan around for you guys. So there you have your overhead storage and your double wardrobe, and straight across we have a family shower room. So I'll take you over here. Now again, this has been upgraded. You have got a sink and pedestal, your WC, and a shelf and mirror there. But the shower itself has been upgraded. It's got a frosted glass window. It's quite a large shower. I'm sorry if there's any flickering, it's from the light. So you've got a nice shower in here. It's already been done. Normally they're quite small in a cubicle, you know. So, let me go into the master bedroom. Now in here in the master bedroom, you've got ceiling light and fan, and you have aircon. It's quite a large bedroom. And panning around, you have your ensuite. You have your double wardrobes here with your overhead storage. Through that door, you have an ensuite to this bedroom. So in here, you have your sink pedestal, your WC, your bath and your shower attachment, okay? And some spotlights. You have a single wardrobe there for all your towels and all your bits and pieces. Again, you've got a frosted glass window. So I'm taking the bathroom at a different angle. You have got your socket there, your shaving socket over the sink there, okay? Now, some people have taken that bathroom out and just used it as a large walk-in closet and just used the one shower room here, okay? It's a really nice property. Give you another glimpse of this fabulous room. And we take you outside. So, if you are interested in this property, don't forget the reference number. It will be in the title of the video. And don't forget to put your contact details in your email. So until the next time, guys, take care, and I'll see you soon.